Good day, guys. Okay, so in this video what I want to do is I want to show you how you can plot multiple data sets onto the same graph. Okay, so the first thing that you can do is you can look at your data set and then plot the usual, take the normal procedure in which you will plot a graph. So for example, you can insert a graph, right, and then select data and then add in your series name, probably dataset 1, and choose your x values as well as your y values over here. Okay, right. So what you have now is just the plot of one dataset. So say you have another dataset that you want to plot on the same graph. So let's say this is that dataset, right? So you can include it right over here. So now you wanted to express it in this particular graph. You want to plot it in this graph. So what you can do is you can choose the graph, click on the graph, choose design, select data, okay, and then you can add dataset 2, okay. So same x values, and then for the y values you can choose for the second dataset. So this one, okay. So once you've done that, you will actually have two dataset. Now, of course, if you want to distinguish them, you can always add a legend right on the right hand side, and as usual you need a title for this. Okay, you need a title, chart title, there we go, and of course your axis titles, primary and your horizontal and your vertical, right? So that's how you have that. So let's say you want the trend line for dataset 1. What you can do is you can click on the data point of dataset 1. Sorry, this is dataset 1. You can add chart element and you can add a trend line there. So that would be the trend line for dataset 1. See, it says there linear dataset 1. And as usual, you can show the equation as well as the r square value. Yeah, I'll show you again how to do for the second one, dataset 2. There, add the trend line, linear. I have a trend line, and then add the equation and r square value. Okay, so that is all for this video. Thank you very much, guys.